Welcome to this lecture on operational controls for efficiency and effectiveness. In this session, we'll explore how internal controls extend beyond financial reporting to strengthen daily operations, improve productivity, and ensure that organizations achieve their goals efficiently and effectively. Operational controls are the policies, procedures, and activities designed to ensure that business processes run smoothly, resources are used wisely, and objectives are met. Unlike financial controls, which focus on reporting accuracy, operational controls focus on performance, efficiency, and strategic alignment. The goal of operational controls is to help organizations do three things: achieve operational objectives, optimize resource use, and minimize waste, error, or fraud. When designed well, these controls create a system that balances performance with accountability. Let's begin with the key characteristics of effective operational controls. First, they are aligned with objectives. Controls must directly support the organization's goals, whether that's improving production quality, maintaining customer satisfaction, or reducing costs. Misaligned controls create inefficiency by focusing on activities that don't drive results. Second, they are risk-based. Operational controls should address the most significant risks that could prevent the organization from achieving its objectives. For instance, a manufacturing company might focus on supply chain risks, while a service company might prioritize customer data protection. Third, they are integrated into daily operations. Controls should not be separate from the workflow, but embedded within it. Automated approvals, performance dashboards, and real-time quality checks are examples of embedded controls that guide employees as they work. Now, let's examine different types of operational controls. Process controls ensure that tasks are performed correctly and consistently. Examples include standard operating procedures, checklists, and automated workflow systems that enforce process compliance. Quality controls monitor the output of operations to ensure that products and services meet defined standards. These may involve inspections, sample testing, or feedback loops to identify and correct issues early. Performance controls track key performance indicators, KPIs, and measure efficiency. Comparing actual results with targets helps management identify bottlenecks, waste, or underperformance. Compliance controls ensure adherence to internal policies and external regulations. For instance, health and safety controls in a factory protect both workers and the organization from legal and reputational risks. Physical controls safeguard tangible assets like equipment, inventory, and facilities. Examples include access restrictions, surveillance systems, and regular inventory counts. Technology has significantly enhanced operational controls. Modern organizations use digital tools such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, process automation, and data analytics to monitor activities in real time. For example, an ERP system can automatically flag production delays, track raw material usage, and generate efficiency reports for management review. One key aspect of operational control is efficiency, achieving results with minimal waste of time, money, and effort. Efficiency controls focus on streamlining processes, reducing redundancies, and maximizing resource utilization. Lean management techniques, such as value stream mapping and continuous improvement cycles, are practical applications of control principles aimed at efficiency. Another aspect is effectiveness, ensuring that the right goals are achieved. An organization may be efficient in executing a process, but if that process doesn't contribute to strategic objectives, it's not effective. Effectiveness controls ensure alignment between day-to-day operations and long-term goals. Let's look at a practical example. A logistics company introduces a new route optimization system to reduce delivery times and fuel costs. This system automatically plans the most efficient routes, monitors driver performance, and generates daily efficiency reports. The result is improved delivery reliability, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction, a clear demonstration of how operational controls drive both efficiency and effectiveness. Monitoring and feedback are essential components of operational control. Managers should regularly review performance data, identify deviations from standards, and take corrective action. Continuous feedback loops transform operational control from a static checklist into a dynamic improvement system. It's also important to balance control and flexibility. Overly rigid controls can stifle innovation and delay decision-making. Effective control systems empower employees to act responsibly within defined boundaries, combining structure with adaptability. Employee involvement is another success factor. When teams understand how controls support their work, not restrict it, they are more likely to embrace and maintain them. Training, communication, and recognition of compliance reinforce a positive control culture. In summary, operational controls ensure that an organization operates efficiently, effectively, and ethically. They align daily processes with strategic goals, optimize resource use, and enable continuous improvement. By integrating technology, monitoring performance, and fostering accountability, organizations can achieve excellence in both execution and outcomes. In our next lecture, we'll explore process mapping and control points, where we'll learn how to visualize workflows, identify risk areas, and design controls that enhance efficiency and reliability. Thank you for joining me in this session on operational controls for efficiency and effectiveness.